This is a video file from older Logitech webcams. It's a proprietary format. You need the specific Logitech software version to install the codec. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the software. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens LVF files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. The LVF file extension is associated with Logitech Video Effects. These files contain data related to special effects, filters, or other enhancements that can be applied to video streams using Logitech webcam software. They store information about the visual modifications that can be added to live video feeds. LVF files are typically proprietary binary files that contain data structures defining the video effects. The specific format is determined by Logitech's software and may include parameters for color adjustments, distortions, animations, or other visual enhancements. The Logitech software reads and applies these effects to the video stream. The LVF proprietary design mandates association with Logitech webcam software from Logitech. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows displays thumbnails and previews, but full video manipulation relies on editing tools. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your LVF file and select Open With. If Logitech webcam software is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the LVF file is still giving you trouble, relax. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, do the VLC test. Open VLC Media Player. Even if it doesn't recognize the extension, drag the .lvf file into the player. VLC's internal decoders can sometimes brute force the MPEG-4 stream inside and play the video. Next, install legacy drivers. If the file won't play, you may need the Logitech QuickCam software drivers. Searching for Logitech QuickCam 8.4.8 or similar legacy packages on archive sites can provide the legacy direct show filters needed for playback. Finally, conversion hack. If you can't play it, use a tool like FFmpeg. Use the command fmpeg input lvf cev libs264 crf23 output mp4. This attempts to extract the raw video stream and rewrap it into a modern, playable mp4. Failures with installed programs usually stem from LVF being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the LVF label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. That was the most time-saving solution. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated.